Okay, I'm here at the local hobby store. Gonna go check the new ARRMA Infraction. Yep, it beat a lot of cars, but it's gonna beat a heck of a lot more. The Infraction is a nice looking truck. Don't just bash, blast. The details on these things are so nice, and I like the fact that they actually went and put these on there to save the body pins. They're really being not careful, but they really listen to what we do with our RCs and actually implemented some of the stuff and not save money and let us put these body pin saver on there. It's really nice, and the details that they've put, the stickers, the paint job, it is a matte finish, so it's really nice. Tires, rims, nice quality. They are very hard tire. I'm thinking it's full rubber in there, barely any foams. They're city belted, they should be. But man, this thing is nice. They even, like what a lot of people are mentioning, is that they do have this so that when you do flip, or if you do flip, but what is really neat is with it is the roll bar actually goes into it and actually is attached all the way up here. So this really strengthened up the cab for saving it from collapsing. Really nice. Now the underside is very nice. It's a big thick aluminum plate that they've put, and the whole front bumper, there's about 6 screws to remove, and you can actually just remove the front to actually get access to the front diff. It's really nice and ingenious how they actually did it, and it's nice and strong. This is like a plexiglass in the front, makes it really strong. Aluminum chassis. I love the way they've done the air channels for it to actually flow the air all the way back to the diffuser. Really great idea. And like I mentioned, the tires, when I push on it, even with my fingernail, I got a very hard time pushing it. It is pushing more here, but that's because the back rim is actually collapsing. But man, those are nice and stiff tire. They should not balloon at all. Very nice. And they do have the slots with the dirt and thing, and will fall off. Lots of protection on the front wheel also. So if you actually hit something here, there's a lot of protection on the front wheel. So when you hit a curb in high speed, it's really going to save it. So let's take the body off and have a look inside how it actually is. So here's what I was saying about the roll bar, goes all the way up to the front. So that's really nice. And they did paint it from the outside. Hopefully they went with the silver and then black, so that when it scratches up, it's going to look like a real scratch. So I hope they've done that on this body, because it's just going to make it really nice once you get it scratched up a little bit. Now the rear end of it is nice. People are going to make custom license plate and put their license plate on there. It's going to be really neat. And the rear diffuser, nice and strong. Nice job attaching that, that's for sure. Especially if it does do a tumble, it's going to withstand the pressure. Nice big bore shocks. They're not that long, but you don't need long when you're doing a basher like that. See, it already comes with sway bars. This is really nice, and the fact that they've thought of everything, and they're not skimping out on quality, because they've actually have these sway bars in there. That middle bar is a great idea, and they've put that in all their bashers now. Very easy to take off. You take off one screw, and then you can flip it from the front or from the back, it doesn't matter, and then it gives you access to the center diff. Very nice. BLX, the 6S system, really nice. Now this is pretty ingenious when you're working on it. You take off about 6 screws on this and the whole thing come off. The ESC, the box or receiver box, even the servo comes off. So it really makes it nice to work on. The bell crank system is really nice in there. Nice and strong. Like you notice here, this is actually like a bolt. It's not just a small little 3mm hex screw. So it really makes it nice and tough. Lots of adjustments for the turnbuckles. And again, this is the same system they have for the carriers that they have on the other trucks. Really makes it look nice. This thing is nicely tuned. It does bottom out when I do hit the front. But still very cool. Very nice plastic. Like this is very thick tower brace. I'm happy with the tower brace. It really makes it look good. Battery tray, pretty standard, and you can actually adjust them to a different size of battery, longer or shorter size. And the bracing system for the whole chassis is really interesting. When you watch there some of their pictures, they show it actually goes there and then it goes all the way down to the center here, and then from the center it picks back up and it goes up to the front, so it makes it really strong. And again at the back you got adjustment with the turnbuckles, so you can adjust your camber. Really nice. And in the front also you do have sway bars in the front to help you out. So for the price, this thing is just crazy and amazing. Nice, I like it. Now I gotta save up some money for this beast. Now here's a little bit of size comparison between the ARRMA and the TRX4. Now it's a big difference in size. The Infraction is just massive and so nice and heavy. There you go, guys. This is my first look and review on the ARRMA. Thanks to Great Hobbies in Ottawa for letting me do this inside their store. The Infraction is a very nice beast. And for the price, awesome. Well, talk to you guys later. And don't forget to comment and give a thumbs up and hit the bell so you don't miss any other videos. Thanks, guys.